Conventional sources of energy. Source of energy that has been in use for centuries are called conventional source of energy. Conventional sources include wood, coal, petroleum and flowing water. Conventional sources like coal and petroleum are non-renewable, while sources like flowing water are renewable. Fossil fuels. Fuels that were formed from the remains of dead and animals are called fossil fuels. These were produced by complex processes with the help of natural events over millions of years. The most widely used fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coal. Coal formed from larger dead plants than oil. As the plants were buried by more sediment with more pressure and heat, different types of coal formed. First, brown coal, then black coal and lastly, anthracite. Brown coal is approximately 70% carbon and anthracite is over 91% carbon. Australia's black coal deposits formed about 200 million years ago. When the fossil fuels, oil, gas and coal are burnt in air, the carbon in them combines with oxygen in the air to form carbon dioxide gas, CO2. Look at a plant and imagine it buried in a swamp with layers of sediment on top squashing it. Hydropower plants. Electricity is generated by using the kinetic energy of flowing water is called hydroelectricity. The electric power is thus generated is called hydroelectric power. Electricity is generated from flowing water at hydroelectric power plant. A high dam is constructed on one side of the reservoir to hold back the water. The generator house is at the base of the dam on its other side. Water flows down through pipes from near the top of the dam to generator house below. It strikes the blades of a water turbine with tremendous speed, making it rotate. The turbine rotates the shaft of a generator to which it is connected. This makes the generator produce electricity. In this way, the kinetic energy of flowing water is used to rotate the turbine and the rotational kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. It is not necessary to set up large dams for hydroelectric plants. Small hydroelectric plants can be set up to generate electricity from a few hundred kilowatts to tens of megawatts. Such plants can use water diverted from a waterfall or from a dam built for irrigation. Advantages of hydroelectricity. The source of energy, water, free and renewable. Produce the energy of flowing water is pollution-free process with no smoke, chemicals, etc. being produced. The cost of electricity generation is low as compared to electricity generated from other types of power plants. Dams built for hydroelectric power plants also help in flood control and irrigation. Disadvantages of hydroelectricity. Dams built for large hydroelectric plants submerge a large area of land underwater. This affects the plants and animals of the region. Not all rivers and not all areas are suitable for hydroelectric power generation.